Today we're going to look at the Vainu company profile card. We try to collect as much information as possible on all the company cards in our platform. Here you see, of course, a first indication of the company, the name, the group employees, the revenue. This is a parent account. So you get a quick overview of what type of company it is. By just clicking on it, you can open up the company card. And first of all, you will see the overview. So all of the basic information. One valuable takeaway from here is the industry, because these are things that you might want to use if you want to search and find similar companies. So you have Vainu custom industry, which is based on the information that we collect from Atrium Ljungberg, in this case, their website. And these are the tags that our AI has given them, which I think indicates pretty accurately what the company does. The industry official is the official industry code that they have registered with the official sources. And this works pretty much the same out of all the Nordics. So it doesn't matter if you're working in the Swedish or the Finnish or the Danish market, the industry works in that same way. You can also go to similar companies directly. So this is a good exercise if you already have a company that is a customer of yours. Search it up in the Vainu platform, which you can do here. You can search a company as well by just clicking here, search companies in Sweden, and opening up the similar companies, and you actually get similar companies based on the information on the website. And I think these are all companies that reflects similar what Atrium Ljungberg does. The events profile is about information about the company. So it could be anything about a company that's moving. It could be that in this, for example, they won a contract. It could be that they changed their CEO. And you can actually filter on the results from here. And this is also something that you can put alerts up to from the Vainu platform. So if you're interested in knowing about companies in the real estate space that recently won a contract, that's something that we easily can do as well. So either talk to our support chat or go to our help center to learn how to do and set up a trigger. But as I said, you can also filter on the results from here. You have the location, which indicates they have their HQ in Nacka. But here you can actually get a map of seeing where all of their offices are. And from here you can actually see the exact addresses of those offices. You have the financials where you can see historic figures. You can even open up the financial statements if you want to get an even more detailed profile. You have the employees, which is where we collect all of the contact details. So here is also an indication if we have both the email and the phone and the LinkedIn that indicates that we have all of this information. And in this case, for example, we only have the email, but here you can scroll down and see all of the contact details we have. This will differ from company card to company card because we collect most of the data based on the company's website yet again. So some companies are really open with their contact details and some are more locked when it comes to what details they share, which is also why it will reflect differently in the Vainu platform. Social networks is basically what it sounds like. A quick link to their Facebook or Twitter profile. We, of course, also have the LinkedIn profile here, easily accessible. You have the web profile, which give you an indication of which website languages are being used, the traffic rank. You can see all of the technologies that we have identified based on the company's website. And you can also view the group structure, which could be a perfect way if you want to do upsell or cross-selling. Maybe Atrium Ljungberg is a customer of yours today, but maybe Ljungberg Gruppen is not. And that is a company that you would be interested to get in contact with. And again, as you can see, we have a really rich and detailed profile. And all of these things are also filterable. So when you're creating your list and you want to filter on, okay, can I filter on the number of locations a company have, for example? Yes, we have a filter for that.